Alright, good night. I'm going to be showing how to take apart a Samsung Galaxy S3. First thing you'll need a screwdriver set or a screwdriver that has a particular range of pulling the screw for the S3, which is this. It's a very fine star point. So the S3 is on. So what I'm going to do is power it off, pull the back off, I already took the screws out from earlier, so the back is probably going to come off a little. Yeah, it came off inside of the back. Alright, so this is the back piece. So these are the screws that were taken out. You have the screws in there. I don't know if you can see them. They're right here. Yeah, they're right there. So you take the battery out. Alright, and as I said, the screws are already taken out. So you take out this part. And if you want to remove the camera, what you do is you remove this snap right here. So you pull the snap off, you take it out by prising it off. Simple as that. The camera stays here, and this is the speaker. So the speakers are very easy to change on the S3s. So you put it back on and snap it down like that, and you put the back on. So I'm just gonna wipe it off, make sure there is no dust on it. Alright, so close it like that. Wow, the SIM card. Wow, a SIM card was still in there. Let me use the SIM card. Alright, always make sure you take out the SIM card, because it can cause a little friction when you're trying to put it in. Alright, totally goes on. So in the part 2 I'll show you how to screw it back up.